Hey boys and girls, ready for story time? What's that? You ready, Pete? And little Pete? We're all ready. All right, we've got a book today called What Color is Nature? Wow, the title even has a question. What color is nature? Look at there, question mark. Can you turn and talk to someone near you? What color do you think nature is? What color is nature? Well, let's read and find out what colors there are in nature. What color do you see on the first page? Yep, I'm seeing yellow too. Color is everywhere in nature. Take a really good look at these pictures. What is nature? You can see nature's color in many places, such as a baseball field, at school. Gardens are a really good place to see lots of colors. What's a garden? There's colors on flowers and vegetables. Did you say that a garden is a place to grow flowers and vegetables? If you did, kiss your brain. There's color on moss and turtles and color in trees. Some things are just one color. Some things are two colors. Some things are many colors. When you see something, do you know its color? What color is the grass? Green. I bet you got that one. What color is this salamander? Got your answer? Orange. What color is this apple? That's easy. Red. Now I want you to turn and talk with someone close by you. What other color apples are there? What color is your favorite? What color are these shells? Ooh, I've never seen shells that dark before. Black. What color is this flower? That's easy peasy. Purple. What color are these peppers? Ooh, that's making me hungry for some fajitas. Green and red. What color are these seeds? Brown. Oh boy. What color are these 5 animals? Black and white. Aren't you happy we're surrounded by so much color? What were some of the things in this story that had more than one color? I'm going to give you a minute to think about that. You guys thinking about it? Well, did anybody think of this? Trees, turtles, vegetables? Talk to somebody that's close to you about all the things that you know in nature that are red. Did you say apples? Roses? Watermelon? Why do you think that the author of our story today, Stephen Swinburne, chose to use photographs? I'll tell you what I think. I think it was much more beautiful to see real pictures than to see illustrations, because nature's so beautiful. One more question. What do you think the most important thing that our author wanted you to know after reading this book? I think it was that the world is a colorful place. Bye, kindergarten.